Yes, she's innocent. Yes, she can't go everywhere like you. But she's beautiful, smart, intelligent in her own way. Sometimes she wants to spend time with herself only. It doesn't mean that she has no friends, but because she has few friends and those are real. She enjoys the loneliness also. She's calm but knows how to raise the voice. If she loves you too much, calls you or texts you at the end of the day, shares her all little things with you, even the problems what she faces today, that means she trusts you. But you think she is too much available for everyone. You take her for granted and tells her that she has a problematic mind. Actually, if you were in her place, then you tried to find a very close friend and said everything like her. Then you could realize that she was not weak. Actually, she just found a trustable hands and a good listener. And you prove by your actions and words that you are not that type of person what she thought about you. No one has any right to play a game with her. Everyone is expensive in God's eyes. If someone don't know any simple thing, then don't ask, "Don't you know this simple thing? How did you study?" Then I ask you, how did you learn? Such that you can't explain a simple thing in a simple way and unable to teach them? How did you study? Don't you know the term short-time memory loss? If a person is in an extreme stress, then this type of problems usually happens with them. And you can't understand a person by their external appearance. They are busy for taking care of their sick mother or father. They just spending their life with little money, lots of stress, and have to count all medicines and visits all wards. While you are enjoying with your friends, visiting cinema hall and big restaurant after completing examination. But for them, there are no examination excuses. There are a lot of reasons why a person don't know a simple thing. Every beginning is hard. So don't argue with them why they ask you the question again and again. Remember the time when you learned the same thing. You also faced the difficulties, did wrong, and asked many questions like them. So teach them gently instead of making fun. They will remember and respect you tomorrow. No one can say that someone treated badly today will not show something extraordinary tomorrow. Then will not you people feel ashamed for your previous behavior? Behave properly. I repeat, behave properly. Don't be the teacher of Thomas Alva Edison who wanted to tell him, "Study is not for you." Earn the love and respect. If you behave well with them today, then you can't find your name in the reject list of them tomorrow.